Most Costco members leave money on the table every single visit, not because the deals aren't there, because nobody told them where to look. After today, you'll know exactly where to look. Picture this: two families, same Costco, same Saturday afternoon, same membership card. The first family does what most people do. They grab a cart, follow the smell of the free samples, toss in the things they recognize, check out for $340, and drive home satisfied. The second family does something different. They know about the price tag that ends in 0.97, sitting on the bottom shelf near the frozen section. They know about the return policy that most members have never actually tested. They know about the service buried in their membership card that they have been paying for every year without ever using once. They check out for $201. Same warehouse, same products. $39 left on the table by the first family every single visit. The difference between those two families is not income. It is not how long they have been members. It is 15 things that Costco employees know, regulars eventually figure out, and first-timers almost never discover on their own. Today, we are handing you all 15, right now, in the next 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you will know how to decode Costco's secret price tag system, the membership perks that most people never use, when to shop for specific items to get 50% off, and the one thing you can do at Costco without a membership that almost nobody knows about. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Logan from Logan Wealth, where we explore the history of money, the psychology behind financial decisions, and the real-world stories of how people navigate spending, saving, and building a better financial life. This channel is purely educational storytelling. Trick number 1. Decode the price tag before you grab the item. Here's something Costco members spend years shopping before they discover. The price tags are not random. They are a code. Items ending in 97 are clearance. A manager marked that item down and it will not be restocked. Once it's gone permanently. So if you see 97 on something you like, you stock up right then, because that is your last chance. Items ending in 00 or 0.88 are manager's specials. Store-level markdowns, often because of too much inventory or damaged packaging. The product inside is identical. The packaging took a hit in transit. The savings are real. Items ending in 99 are regular full price, no special status. One glance at the last two digits and you know exactly what kind of deal you're standing in front of. That knowledge alone is worth the next 9 minutes of this video. Trick number 2. The return policy is as generous as everyone says. Costco has one of the most liberal return policies in American retail. Most items can be returned at any time for any reason. No time limit, no restocking fee, no interrogation at the returns desk. Electronics get a 90-day window specifically, but groceries, clothing, furniture, appliances, the policy is essentially unconditional. If you are not satisfied, Costco wants you satisfied. Take it back. The practical implication is if you buy something seasonal at full price and see it marked down 2 weeks later, you can return it and repurchase at the lower price, or simply ask for a price adjustment. Costco would rather offer an adjustment than process a full return, so ask at the service desk before going through the return process. Trick number 3. The 97 clearance shelf has a best time to visit. Clearance shelves get picked over fast. Take your warehouse on weekday mornings before the lunch rush. That's when shelves are most likely to be freshly stocked with clearance items before the crowds arrive. Trick number 4. You do not need a Costco membership for the pharmacy or optical center. This one stops people cold when they hear it for the first time. You do not need a Costco membership to use the pharmacy or optical center. Prescription medications, flu shots, and eye exams are often significantly less expensive than at CVS or Rite Aid. You can also get glasses and contacts at competitive prices. Just walk in and ask. No card, that's it. For families paying full retail at chain pharmacies, this one trick alone can save hundreds of dollars a year. And almost nobody outside of regular Costco shoppers knows it exists. Trick number 5. The seasonal markdown calendar is real and predictable. Costco is aggressive about moving seasonal inventory, which means steep discounts on out-of-season items. Shop patio sets and outdoor furniture in late August. Shop winter gear in March.
Shop holiday toys and gifts in January. Markdowns of 50% or more are common on things you will use next year. The trick is buying a season ahead. The patio furniture you want for next summer is half price in late August after this summer ends. The winter coat your kids will need costs a fraction of its original price in March after the season closes. It feels counterintuitive. It saves real money. The membership fee is fully refundable. Most members do not know this. If you try Costco and decide the membership is not worth it for any reason, you can cancel and receive a full refund of your annual fee. Costco's membership renewal rate sits at 90.5% worldwide, which tells you most people find it worth keeping.
Number 8. Costco Travel is one of the most overlooked member benefits. Costco's membership ecosystem extends far beyond the warehouse floor. Members have access to vacation packages, rental cars, and cruises at rates that consistently compete with and often beat the major online travel platforms. The rental car rates in particular are frequently lower than what you find booking directly. If you have a Costco membership and have not checked Costco Travel before your next trip, check it. The savings are documented and real. Trick number 9. Shop the app before you shop the store. Costco's app and website carry items the physical warehouse does not stock. Larger furniture, certain electronics, specialty food items, and online-only deals that never appear on the warehouse floor. The trick that frequent shoppers use is check the app for your specific item before driving to the warehouse. If it is cheaper or exclusively available online, order there. If the warehouse has a better deal, go in person. The two channels price independently, and the gap is sometimes significant. Trick number 10. The food court is open to non-members. The $1.50 hot dog and soda combo that has famously not changed in price since 1985. The $4.99 rotisserie chicken, the pizza by the slice. Costco has 132 million members worldwide with a 90.5% renewal rate. But the food court at most locations is accessible without a membership card. You can walk in, eat at the food court, and leave. No annual fee required. For families near a Costco, the food court is one of the genuine value anomalies in American retail food. The hot dog combo has held its price through decades of inflation that raised the price of everything else around it. That is not an accident. Costco's CEO has stated publicly that the hot dog price will not increase as long as the company exists. If even 2 or 3 of these tricks were genuinely new to you, do me a favor and hit the like button right now. It only takes a second, it helps this kind of practical content reach people who actually need it, and honestly, it tells me what kind of videos to keep making for you. Alright, back to it, because number 11 is one that most online shoppers miss completely. Trick number 11. Price adjustments work within 30 days online. If an item you bought online from Costco drops in price within 30 days, you can contact customer service and receive a refund of the difference. Set a reminder after any significant online purchase. 30 days. Check the current price. If it dropped, call or chat with customer service and ask for the adjustment. It takes 5 minutes and the refund comes back to your original payment method. Most people never do this because they do not know it is available. Trick number 12. The Kirkland wine and spirits section is significantly underpriced. Costco is the largest wine retailer in the United States. Most people walk past the wine and spirits section on the way to the paper towels without a second glance. Check the coupon book before every trip. Costco releases a monthly coupon book that applies instant discounts to specific items during that period. The discounts are applied automatically at checkout. You do not need to clip or present anything. The trick is knowing what's in the coupon book before you go. Download the Costco app or check the website before your trip. If something you regularly buy is in the current coupon book, that's the week to stock up on it. Trick number 14. The executive membership pays for itself if you spend more than $3,000 a year. Costco offers 2 membership tiers: the Gold Star membership at $65 a year, the Executive membership at $130 a year, which returns 2% cash back on most Costco purchases. The math is simple.
If you spend $3,250 per year at Costco, the 2% cashback equals $65, which covers the price difference between the two memberships. Spend more than $3,250, and the executive membership is the financially superior choice. Spend less, and the Gold Star is the better fit. Most families who shop regularly at Costco cross that $3,250 threshold without realizing it. Check your annual spending. The upgrade might pay for itself before the year is halfway over. Trick number 15. The gift card arbitrage that frequent shoppers use. Costco sells discounted gift cards to other retailers at prices below face value. Restaurant gift cards, gas station cards, and entertainment venue cards frequently appear in the warehouse at 10 to 20% below what they're worth. A $100 restaurant gift card selling for $79.99 inside Costco is an instant 20% discount on a meal you are going to have anyway. Frequent Costco members scan this section on every trip and stock up on gift cards for places they visit regularly. The savings are immediate, require no special timing, and work every time.
Pinning this in the comments. Which one of these 15 tricks did you genuinely not know before watching? Drop the number below. I want to see which one surprises people the most, and it helps me figure out which deep dive video to make next. I read every single comment. Here's the thing about Costco that most people never fully appreciate. The warehouse is designed to reward the shoppers who pay attention. The price codes are there if you know how to read them. The return policy is there if you know to use it. The travel perks, the pharmacy access, the seasonal markdowns, all of it is sitting right there in plain sight, available to every member who walks through the door. The two families from the beginning of this video shopped the same store. They paid the same membership fee. One of them just knew where to look. Now you do too. If you enjoyed today's video, you will love my video called "Your Brain Was Designed to Waste Money, Here's the Proof." Because now that you know all the ways to save at Costco, that video explains the exact psychological tricks retailers use to make you spend it all back anyway, and how to recognize them before they work on you. I'll see you there.